Hello everyone, this is Akansh Suman here. Now we are going to solve the questions based on the effort of the governor. However, we have seen the formula of the effort governor and effort formula of the effort of Porter governor as well as the effort of the Hartnell governor. But it is important to understand. It is important to learn the definition also because some questions are solved by the definitions. So, what is the effort of the governor? We all know that the mean force acting on the sleeve to change its equilibrium position for the fractional change in the speed of the governor. The mean force acting on the sleeve to change its equilibrium position for the fractional change in the speed of the governor, we call it as the effort of the governor. So I'm just here in the question there is a maximum and the minimum speed is given. So I'm just calculating the effort of the governor. You just have to put the values in the formula, that is the effective load multiply n max minus n minimum upon n minimum. Okay, and load means load here 400 Newton is given, and that is 250 minus 200 upon 200. So when you solve this, you will get the value of effort, and effort is denoted as E by 2. We all know that it is denoted as E by 2. Okay, so that is 50 and 100 you will get the value of effort, that is 100 Newton, because it will get 50 and they should cancel out by 4 and that is 100. So finally you will get the effort of the governor, that would comes out to be 100 Newton. So answer is 100 Newton. Okay, I hope you will understand the solution of that question.